Sai Kaushik. 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 Sai Kaushik. Are you there? Sai. Kaushik. Vaishnavi, shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Sir, let's wait for 1 minute, sir. We have
Sir,
time.
1 minute, sir. 11 o'clock.
People are still joining, sir.
Where is Sai Kaushik? No response from him.
Don't know, sir.
I wanted to talk with him.
Why, sir? What happened, sir?
Yeah, you have so many
So many doubts,
questions,
sir.
so many doubts. 24/7.
Ah,
Sir, did you correct our papers, sir?
Completed.
When will you give marks, sir?
So that is actually examination department will be disclose the result.
No, but actually we got our POM marks.
No marks, it is actually confidential end semester. We are not supposed to disclose.
Okay, sir.
Sai Kaushik. క్లాస్లో ఉండవచ్చు మీకు చాలా డౌట్స్ వస్తాయి. శ్రీచందన శ్రీచందన okay, now 11 o'clock. So before the accounting, starting the accounting principles, just we discuss some of the accounting terminology. These are the words we are going to use enter your accounting. Not only that, this is maybe related to the even business terminology. Especially these are the we are going to use enter the your financial accounting, management accounting, or cost accounting. During the preparation of the all the entries, these are the various terminology we are going to use. So I will discuss one by one, especially for the non-commerce students. Assets. So what is the meaning of the asset? It refers to the economical value of the asset, economic value for the future benefit. Sai Kaushik somewhere else.
Sir, he just wrote in the group that his mic has some problem.
So assets are nothing but yield for the future, nothing but economic benefit of the value in future. Simply we can say as a asset. So it is a simply we can say as a economic value of the anything we may say as a asset for the future. Here these assets are classified into two types. These are the current assets and yes. Somebody wanted to say something?
No, sir.
Nothing, sir.
Okay. So simply remember assets is nothing but which carry future benefits or economic value in the future is called as a asset. Example I will tell you, building, land, machinery, all together in accounting terminology, these are the called as a assets. These assets again classified into two types or two categories. That is the number one, current assets and fixed assets. Simple, assets is nothing but economic benefit of the things in future. We can say as a simply that is the assets. These assets are classified into two types. These are the current assets and fixed assets. So what is the difference between these two? There is a only time period. So those assets, already I told you, assets is nothing but economic value in the future. So those assets which are converted into cash within a 1 year, those assets is called as a current assets. Remember, assets is nothing but it is a economic value of the future. This value, economic value, may be converted into liquid. Nothing but liquid means here it is called as a cash. Those assets is converted into cash within a 1 year. Those type of the assets is called as a current assets. Example, cash in bank, debtors, bills receivable, short-term investment. These are the few examples of the current assets. Sorry. Come to the fixed assets. This is the long-term purposes. The life of the assets is the more than 1 year. So these assets may not be converted into immediately into the cash. Those assets is called as a fixed assets. It means it is a long-term nature until the business goes to the liquidation or close, whatever it may be. So these are the permanent assets for the long-term economic use purposes is called as a fixed assets until the life of the assets will be gone. So example like this, building, generally building, can you, yes? Somebody. Abhishek, please mute. Abhishek, mute. Abhishek. So this is the fixed assets means it is a long-term nature. Those assets is called as a fixed assets. Example like building, machinery, plant, land, etc. So this fixed assets again conversion. Vaishnavi?
रहेंगे हम नहीं, ना चाहिए कुछ तुमसे ज्यादा.
It is not Vaishnavi, sir.
कम नहीं.
It's Yashasvi. It is Yashasvi Agarwal, sir. Yashasvi Agarwal.
Can I mute all? Otherwise. Okay. Here, building, land, machinery, plant, etc. we can say as a fixed assets. These fixed assets again classified into two types. Those are the tangible and intangible. What is the difference between these two? Those are the fixed assets, but these fixed assets is converted into two types. This is the tangible and intangible fixed assets. Tangible means those assets we can touch,